Canceling your Klover membership stops future subscription renewals, but it does not automatically close your Klover account or remove your account history. You can end the membership first and decide later whether you want to stop using the service completely. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to cancel your Klover membership, what to check before confirming the cancellation, and what to do if you can't find the option. Start by opening the Klover app and signing into the account with the active membership. Tap your profile or account icon, then open the membership, subscription, or account section. Look for a Manage Membership or Cancel Membership option. Follow the on-screen instructions until you receive confirmation that the cancellation request has been completed. If you originally signed up through the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, you'll usually need to cancel through that same platform, instead of inside the Klover app. Open your device's subscription management page, locate Klover in your active subscriptions, and select Cancel Subscription. Your membership benefits generally remain available until the current billing period ends. Before canceling, review your account for any active cash advances, pending repayments, or transactions that haven't been completed yet. Canceling your membership does not cancel repayment obligations or reverse advances that have already been issued. Make sure your account is in good standing before ending the subscription. After the cancellation is confirmed, save the confirmation email, or take a screenshot of the confirmation message shown inside the app. Keeping proof of cancellation can help if you have billing questions or need to verify that the membership was canceled before the next renewal date. If you don't see a cancellation option or an error prevents you from completing the process, contact Klover support through the Help or Support section in the app. Include the email address connected to your account and explain that you want to cancel your membership. Providing those details makes it easier for the support team to locate your account. If your goal is to stop using Klover completely, remember that canceling your membership and closing your account are separate actions. Review your account settings or contact support if you also want your account permanently closed after the membership ends. To recap, cancel your Klover membership from the app or from the App Store where you subscribed, check for any outstanding account activity before canceling, and save your cancellation confirmation until your billing cycle has ended. Open your Klover account now, verify how your membership is billed, and complete the cancellation before your next renewal date. If this guide helped you, like the video and subscribe for more simple app tutorials and troubleshooting guides.